And pursuing these questions by our viewers also. So when do they inform the immigration service with regards to their change of address if ever they were to move to another state, or because then another jurisdiction will perhaps will take over? When do they do that?
Well, first of all, there is a special form for change of address that every alien, including green card holders, are required to fill out. This is called AR11. Form AR11 is a form to inform immigration for change of address. This is number one. Number two, almost on any application you have a facility to inform of change of address.
That's why I really suggest for those viewers who have immigration concerns, I think nowadays you really would need a lawyer. There's just so many things to remember, and an ordinary mind of an individual who is not legally trained would not see these things. So it's easier, actually, it's more efficient to have an immigration lawyer. I suggest you call Attorney Golan for consultation. It's a free consultation. It's 213-383-3222. Related to the previous question, Attorney Golan, with regards to the single to married name, what about the change? It says that they mentioned like the civil status, say single but then married. One situation occurred when this individual was to swear oath, as a citizen, and when she was given the certificate of citizenship, it said there that she was single, and so she said she's married. But then the official, I think, said, but this is what you said, and you even signed. Is it true that they're asked to sign that everything is correct, before they really print out these immigration certifications? So in the application, she said that she was single, but maybe something had changed in the meantime. What happens to those cases?
Look, when you are called for the swearing-in ceremony, you are required to complete a small form with 5 or 6 questions about changes that may have occurred since the time of your interview.
Oh.
Okay, so usually, and again, I have to give credit to the immigration service. The interval between the naturalization interview and the swearing-in ceremony is usually very, very short. It goes very fast. So, but still there is a possibility of changes. And on the invitation for the swearing-in ceremony, on the back side there is a small number of questions that gives you an opportunity to report on changes when you come for the swearing-in ceremony.
I see. So it is the individual's fault then, because if the immigration service had the record, as when they gave all the information to their application, then will that change be affected then because of a recent change and they neglected to fill in the form? Or what happens, Attorney Golan?
Well, it all depends. And the question is it material? Is it important? You can make changes even later. By the way, one change that you almost never are able to do because they simply refuse is a change in the date of birth. If you use an incorrect date of birth on your applications, and then you decided you want to change your date of birth, it's almost impossible to change.